Hey guys, this is Jesse, the Jesse.Davenport from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Grand Design. This is the Momentum. It's a 350M. Very nice unit. Come on over here on the side. You can notice they put awning toppers on this all the way around. It's got the frameless windows. Very nice there. You look in here, it's got all the water, black and gray, shower, water purifier, all your plug-ins, your auto leveling. This is a 50 amp unit. Get the big cord in here. This has the front cap with the LED lights. You look on over here, there's a little place to plug a little charger in here to charge your batteries. There's your disconnect in there. It shows how thick your aluminum frame is with all the wrap, the vacuum cleaner. This has the more ride steps when you come inside. This is an Arctic pack. Has the nice recliners with the heat. In here in the kitchen, it's got the one big giant sink. Lots of cabinets. Double door fridge. Convection and oven. Big TV with the fireplace. Up above you got a loft. You come here in the back. This one's set up for a washer dryer. It's got the extra bath. This has the dovetail in the back with the patio doors. Very nice back here. If we can head up front here. Take a look at that. With your storage in there. Everything's up above. 180 hours on the generator. There's no wood on the step there. It's got a big shower in there with a nice fan, cabinets and LED lights. This one has a king bed in it, a nice mattress with stands on both sides. Big wardrobe. There's an air conditioner in here with a different control, your TV. More cabinets here, lots of room up here. And if you got any more questions, give me a call. My number's on the screen, or my cell phone is 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.